how to force quit an app on your iPhone. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you today. Force quitting an app on an iPhone depends on whether your iPhone has a home button or uses gestures. So here's the complete guide. So if you have an iPhone without a home button, mostly Face ID models, then what you need to do is just swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and this shows the app switcher showing all the open apps. What you need to do is swipe left or right to find the app you want to quit. Once you find that, what you need to do is just swipe up like this, and you have successfully forced quit it. But if you have an iPhone with a home button or Touch ID models, then you need to double click the home button to open the app switcher, and you can just do the same. Just swipe up to force quit it. So force quitting is usually not needed for iOS apps unless an app is frozen, crashing, or misbehaving. Regularly force quitting apps can sometimes drain battery rather than save it. So there you go, that's how you force quit an app on an iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.